Hello everybody and welcome to my channel and welcome to Christmas in July, the hop for the Scrappy YouTubers group that we do every month on the 25th of that month. Today happens just to be a July as well, so a lot of people are doing Christmas in July all month. I have been doing on my Product Focus Friday, trying to work on my December daily album. Today, we are also celebrating Desiree Tales. Now, Desiree Tales has been around for a while. She's amazing. She has some amazing traveler's notebook and smaller style layouts as well. So I saw this one and I thought I could totally do something like that for my December daily album. So we're going to work on day 23. I am not technically all the way to that point at this time, but I had a really good idea. If you had been following at all my December daily, I am doing like a shape theme, just making sure that shape is kind of highlighted, which I didn't really do on day 11, so I gotta fix that. It's just hard when I don't have my photos. So I don't have my photos. I'm just kind of figuring out how the pages are going, and then I'm ordering my photos later. So some of my album has photos in it, but the ones I've been working on this month do not. Anywho, so the shape for the 23rd is stocking. And we, me and my husband and my son, kind of got into a habit just because he had worked the last few years on Christmas Eve, and then we go to my sister's right away or somewhere right away. And so we started opening gifts from each other the eve of Christmas Eve. So then we have kind of our own time for us, if that makes sense. And obviously Christmas morning we do, but sometimes on occasion we have somewhere to go right away. And it's like our time, the eve of Christmas Eve. So stocking is the theme. So I'm going to flip the pages. How she has this beautiful like hexagon thing up in the corner over here. I'm going to hang stockings in the corner on this one. And then this page is going to be my photos and this tag. Christmas has my heart always and forever. I'm trying to decide if I want to do branches with my stockings or what I want to do. Obviously, they can't get too wide because it's only traveler's notebook size. But I will have some photos of us opening presents and the cats playing with presents, and then I can document all on this page, just like hers. So we're gonna put that together today. So let's find some papers, shall we? I've been doing a lot of Vicki Boutin, and I really like this paper to go behind my photos since I've got all the Vicki Boutin stuff over here. And I'm trying to decide if these will go in page protectors. Probably. So we better cut them down to size appropriately. So this will be this one. And what do I want to do for the other page? I want to be able to write on it still, so it can't be super... I don't know if I want white. I mean, I could do white. But I also have... I mean, there's some more neutral backgrounds. Let's look. I'm looking through my papers here on the side, just so you know. I'm not, like, just randomly standing here. I just have all my Christmas stuff in my little organizer. I do have some white cardstock in here. I could just do white. I was also toying with the idea of doing this because these are like actual Christmas. I mean, I like these tags, but I don't need any of them because I have so many cut aparts. Because this would be cool on this side as well. And it's light enough I can still document on it. Let's do this. Oh, and then I have this page ready to go. Well, I probably should use that. This is crepe paper. Crepe paper, Busy Sidewalks, and this is Mary Mary. And this side is, yeah. I probably won't use the sweater, so we'll go this way. And then I can still use this tag and this one. See? Lovely. The cat's yelling at me. And then I can put this here. I could put another pattern with that, but I could put this here with a bow, which is awesome. And then I can put these over here. And then I'll have, I could even, maybe if I do it right, I could possibly, because my tag is smaller than hers, fit 4 photos on there. Let's see here. I wanted to, what do I have for bows? I had another, need my day 23. That's 13. There we go. I could also just do that. But I like doing all the stockings and stuff. Let me see. So this is the hardest part about doing this and not having your photos already pre-cut. Just not even knowing what you want to do. So I could do 2x3s? Yep, and fit one there. And one there. I could do 3 2x3s and trim them down even. And just arrange this however it works, because then how big is this tag? Is this tag? No, it's not quite 3 inches. But that would be okay if it sat a little bit short. I think that would look cute. And then 3 2x3 photos. My stockings there. Do the branch. I like the branch, but it's just too bulky. Yeah, but if I do this one, then it's not as bulky. And then I can journal right here. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna glue these things down. And all this is gonna get glue flat because it's going in a page protector, guys. Going in a page protector. Have that go off the page. And I like that I got the pine cones over here, so it kind of, the photos are going to kind of cover it up, but it will kind of all go together. I could even maybe have this branch come up. Come out over here and still have my just journaling right there. I think we shall. I struggle with, I have tons of Traveler's Notebook designs saved because I struggle with figuring out what to do besides just shoving it in a page protector. Luckily, like, I have all these amazing citrus twist pockets, so that's helpful, but I really just like, I'm like, I don't know what to do. So I love finding people like Desiree who have done some just dynamic things that I'm like, ah, I can totally do that. That looks great. All right, I'm gonna glue this together up there because I can trim my photos down a little bit when I get them. I'm gonna glue this to this, but I'm not going to glue the tag down just in case I need to adjust. Okay. There we go. Here, do I have some rectangles that you guys can see? You can see what pictures would look like over here. There's essentially my mats of my photos. And then I'm actually going to draw some lines, even though I really wouldn't need to, because clearly there are lines because it is a grid. And it stinks too because I'm doing this and you don't get to really see the finishing touches because I wait until I have everything to do finishing touches. We can maybe do some finishing touches on this page though, because this won't have any photos. I just need to do my journaling. There. And by finishing touches, I just mean like wood veneer, fun things. Acrylic pieces. This is kind of my title, so I don't really need a big crisp piece. But, well, I guess we're doing gold. I was gonna do silver, but I guess we're doing gold. Oh gosh, come on, just one popped off somewhere. Heard it. Really? I don't want you to stick there. I want you to... Oh, this one just moved, I think. Yeah, that's what happened. Little gold sparklies. Yeah. I just have so much Christmas stuff. I have lots of old photos to do that are 12 by 12 too, though, that hopefully I can use some of this stuff. Oh gosh, jam my drawer. Okay. All right, guys, there are my two, pretend these end. There are my day 23 pages for my December daily with my journaling. I just need my 3 pictures and then I'll embellish more on this one. But I really like this idea, having this over here with the journaling, and just the photos kind of focused over here. And if I'm really smart, I don't think I have that many photos for this day, because I was just enjoying the moment and we were opening gifts. I could put a bunch, but I think it'll just end up being 3 photos, so it'll kind of follow with Desiree's design a little bit more. But there you go. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and we'll see you next time. Bye!